Bonsoir, hi, good evening everyone. Wow, it's amazing to see that we are such a great number, and thank you for coming. It's great to see you all of here tonight. So I'm MG, I'm the co-founder of Le Wagon in Montreal, along with my brother Antoine. And now we also have a team of 26 people passionate about tech and education. Today is a very special day. We celebrate the end of our last bootcamp of the year, last session of the year. It's the last journey, the last day of an intensive journey, learning to code, learning to build products for these 26 amazing students you can see here with their red shirts. So I'd like to first congratulate you. You nailed it. Congratulations. Bravo. And also, you know, this time of year, we like to share a few insights of we are very proud of. 3 years building Le Wagon in Montreal, and first, of course, I'd like to thank Lagarde, the space where we are hosted for the past 3 years. Thank you very much to their team. They are a very great partner to us. 3 years, so go back to this insight. 3 years, we run 12 sessions already. We had 224 alumni graduated from Le Wagon in Montreal. And we are very proud to have a very diverse bootcamp, 30% of women, but tonight we have actually, this batch were 40%, and we want to have more women in tech, more women in the tech industry, and maybe next batch we will aim to the parity, so that's something we are very proud of. And we have a lot of people coming from diverse parts of the world, 36 nationalities in total. So it makes a great, diverse bootcamp. And of course, we have for that, we have a great, amazing team of teachers that help them go through this journey. And we are very grateful to have an amazing team. Thanks to this amazing team, they could achieve most of our students could achieve their goal. 95% actually managed to go to their professional objectives after bootcamp, and 70% amongst them became developers and could really change their career. So we are very, very proud about these past 3 years. We are also another thing we are very proud of. We count the most amazing tech companies in our global hiring partner. This is absolutely great. We are a very strong actor in the tech ecosystem in the world, but also in Montreal. And what is Le Wagon? No, I forgot, this is not it. We have a super great news to announce, actually. We are expanding, and now we are Le Wagon Canada, because we are opening Le Wagon in Toronto, and we are very, very proud about that. And we have in the team, we have Esteban Palacio, who is the managing director over there. So I say hi, Esteban, if you see us tonight. So we are very, very excited about this new adventure. So what is Le Wagon? For those who don't know who we are, Le Wagon is a coding school. We bring technical skills to creative people, passionate people about tech, entrepreneurs who want to launch their startup and be able to code their own MVPs, creative people who want to add some more skills in their skill set, but also people who want to change career and want to become developers, or have great, interesting jobs in the tech industry. And we know that today we need to know how to code to have better skills in this industry. So it's a 9-week intensive bootcamp in web development. It started in Paris 6 years ago, and now we are an amazing and maybe the most important tech communities in the world. We have 6,000 alumni around the world, 37 cities, 22 countries, and actually just today, 300 new alumni joined Le Wagon community, including you. So congratulations, we are growing a lot, and it's amazing to see that. That's it for me. I hand over to Aline, our community lead, and she will present the team. Thank you.
Everyone excited to see some amazing, great projects? Yeah. So first of all, I actually wanted to congratulate you for your braveness. I don't know if you remember when you started the bootcamp, it was summer. And like 3 weeks later, we had like a snowstorm, and then we saw all the seasons in 9 weeks, a lot of emotions. It was hard. You had problems with transportation, with diseases, but you made it. Congratulations. And for you that don't know them, it's a very diverse batch. We have architects, chefs, business people, product managers, designers, artists. We have English, Japanese translators, so it's very diverse. We have 7 different countries. As Mijé said, 40% of women, so we're very proud of this diversity. And they work all together. It's cool that they had this one goal in common to build great products, to learn how to code, and to change their lives. So it's amazing. We're going to actually see the products they built at the last 10 days of the bootcamp. So for those of you who have never coded before, you cannot imagine the challenge it is to do what they did in only 10 days. So basically, they started from the idea, prototyped it, designed it, coded it, tested it, maybe had to fix some things, test again, launched it, and they are ready to present the projects for you tonight. So it's pretty impressive. And actually, they deserve a huge round of applause for all that effort. So, without further ado, let's go to the first project. Who likes music? Everyone? So the first project is Mix My Band, an app to connect artists and brokers to find the perfect fit for their calendar of events, built by Virginie, Christian, Kwan, and Kostan.
Tonight I'm gonna have myself. Hi there, I'm Christian. I'm a singer-songwriter, and I'm really passionate about music. I really love music. And as you know, it's really difficult for artists to find places where to perform their music and to be able to find the right crowd that fits their music style and the venue that fits their music style. But my friend V, a couple weeks ago, told me about this amazing app called Mix My Band. In this app, you can find venues and connect with them and try to book an event. So yeah, I decided to have a performance tomorrow night, and so I'm going on my app, and yeah, I've been featured in the featured artist of the month right there. So yeah, I'm gonna go into the I'm an artist section and look for eventers. So here we are. Yeah, last time I was playing in a restaurant, it wasn't that good, and I want a crowd that's really involved. So I'm gonna look for a bar this time and see the results I have. Yeah, there's 3 results there. I'm gonna check the one in the middle. Okay, live jazz. I love jazz, but I'm not a jazz man. I'll check the one on the left. Okay, Salon d'Ahomey. Let's go and see the information on Salon d'Ahomey. Okay, cool. I'm gonna see the reviews of Salon d'Ahomey. Okay, that's good. Good reviews. Are they booked tomorrow night? The upcoming events there? Oh, okay. Rainflower is playing tomorrow night at 10:30. But I like this venue, so I'm gonna book it and go back to it later. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna go back then to my list of eventers and try to find an eventer for tomorrow night. Yeah, okay. Oh, Foufoune Électrique. I love Foufoune Électrique. Let's go see this venue. Foufoune Électrique is situated Rue Sainte-Catherine. It's a bar. Okay, as you see, they have a professional crowd. And yeah, I'm gonna see if they have availabilities for tomorrow night. Okay, cool. They have nobody for the 7th of December, so I'm gonna mix a show. Let's mix a show. Okay, so we'll choose a date, 7th of December. Then I'm more of a performance at 7:30 p.m. Okay, and we'll message them. Hi, I love Foufoune. And yeah, go check my profile. And after that, I'm just gonna send the mix request. Here we are. I have no incoming mixes requests from eventers for now, but I can see that my mix request for Fufun is just pending, and I really hope they are gonna accept my mix request.
Hi, I'm Antonio Pellegrini, the owner of Fufun Electric. But I'm really mad right now because the band that was supposed to play at my bar tomorrow night just canceled on me. Luckily, my son Kwan showed me this app called Mix My Band that, he uses this app to follow his favorite local artist throughout their gigs in the town. So I'm just gonna give it a try. Maybe it will help me for further problems like, I don't know, next year I'm planning to organize every single night of the year an event, a specific event with a specific team, so I'll need a band that will play in a different genre. So, okay, so I'm looking at the type of music that they offer. Okay, jazz, folk, blues. I think maybe rock would be a good idea. Let's see these bands. Brooks, okay, Brainflower, okay. That's not exactly what I want. I'll probably scroll more, but for now I'm just going to see if I have any pending mixes. So, let's see. Okay, oh wow, I have one for tomorrow night at 7:30 from Christian Dumi. Let's see what he has to say. Okay, he seems pretty interested in that. So, yeah, let's go see his page. Okay, he has content, so audios, videos, photos, but okay, I'm pretty interested to see how this guy sounds like. So, okay, this one, not this one, maybe, I don't know, this one looks cool. Okay, perfect, that's exactly what I want. So, I'm just gonna go back and accept his mix. So, okay, let me just confirm it. So, perfect, it's a mix.
Ooh, I just got a notification. Cool, Les Fufun just accepted my mix request. That's a perfect mix, thanks to Mix My Band.
Next project is going to be Trasso, an app that allows you to quickly build your next trip schedule according to your needs. So it was built by Pierre, Sophie, Yannick, and Ferdinand.
Hi, I'm Sophie. I love traveling. However, I'm not too fan of planning. So my friend Pierre told me about this trip planner, which is called Trasso. And it gathers all the information and all the trips of previous backpackers, and it helps them sharing their trips. So let's give it a try. Okay, so apparently what this website sells is experiencing to match my budget, my experience, my style. So let's see what it says. Okay, so it is true that I recognize myself when I see that there is too much more noise when I try to find information. So right now, after 9 weeks at Le Wagon, I feel like I need to party. So let's see where we can party. Okay, so 4 countries, that looks nice. However, I have a feeling that Iceland is a bit too cold at this time of the year, so I don't know. Australia is a bit far away, Argentina, already been there. And so let's go to Peru. I have a budget of $2,000, and I'm gonna go for a couple of weeks or so. Yeah, 15 days, fine. So yeah, so apparently it's true. There really are people who are sharing the experience, and they are sharing their trips. So the first one is not your average nightclub crawling. Okay, let's see how it looks like. Maybe it's a bit too much about clubbing and not enough about sharing a real experience with local people and so on. So let's see, okay, party with locals, shared by Ferdinand. Who is that Ferdinand guy? Okay, so he's French, he's got pretty good rating. Let's see, sharing pictures. He's got good reviews too. And apparently he helped quite a few people to organize the trips. So I'm interested in seeing what he has to say about party with locals in Peru. Oh wow, so it's actually ready to ready to use trip. So let's see what it suggests. So we have Costco, Clima, Ika, Arequipa, Ayacucho. Ayacucho, I'm not too fan of it. Not necessarily because of the city itself, but because I don't have much time. So let's see what we can do. Okay, so let's see what he suggests to do in Cusco. Okay, handcraft beer. That's not really typical. However, I feel like at this stage, it would be nice to have a burger or something that I know about. So let's keep it that way. The Pisco tool looks nice. And the Wild Rover hostel is known for partying. So let's keep it that way, and let's trust Ferdinand for everything he shared on the other cities. However, there is something I would like to do. I would like to visit the Lake Titicaca, and hopefully I will be able to do quite a few activities there. So let's see. Okay, apparently it is in Puno, so let's go to Puno and see what there is to do there. Okay, the Inca Bar. I always wanted to try the Inca Bar. And actually, I can fish in the lake. So let's give it a try, meet people who fish. Let's see if I'm a good fisher or not. And then the Sol Plaza Hotel seems to be nice. It's in my budget, so let's move forward. Good. So now let's take a step back. There is an additional thing that I always wanted to do. It's visit the jungle. Apparently, if I go to Puerto Maldonado, I can go to the jungle. Let's see if it's... Whoa, it's too far away. Let's untoggle that. Okay, so now I just keep the trip as is, and I would like to review it. Okay, so that's good. Everything is in one page. Let's print it or save it on a PDF for environmental reasons. Okay, good. So that was true. Pierre was right. In about 5 minutes, I'm able to plan a trip in Peru. Thank you for your attention.
Okay, so the next app is the Ski In, a website to help you plan your next ski trip. Very interesting for this part of the year. It was built by Amandine, Charlotte, and Chloe. Come on in.
Hi, I am Amandine, and I do love ski. I wanted to go this weekend, but I finished an intensive bootcamp to learn to cut tonight, actually just right now. And I didn't have time to organize anything, so I know an application told me, I didn't have time to organize anything, and all my friends are not available to go with me, so I am alone, but I want still to go to ski. So hopefully I know an amazing application to find people around me to go to ski with. And I wanted to go to Saint-Sauveur Resort. I heard about it, and maybe I can create my own ski event, because I checked the application 1 hour ago, and there is nothing for me for tomorrow. So let's do it. For tomorrow, I think we can do a ski and beer event. Yes, tomorrow, December the 7th. At Saint-Sauveur Resort. I have a picture from my previous ski event, so I can add it. And I have a car, and I don't care about the level, but let's say an intermediate level. And for the description, maybe let's have a fun day of ski with me, and ending with some beers or some drinks, and close to Montreal. I think I will receive a notification soon, and I'm sure I will find someone.
Hi, I'm Chloe. I just moved to Montreal a few weeks ago, so I'm looking for new friends. I love skiing, and I found this app, Ski In, which connects people who want to find someone to ski with. So as I don't have plans for this weekend, I'm going to try to find a ski event for tomorrow. So let's say I will leave from Montreal, and I don't want to go too far away, so let's say a perimeter of 100 kilometers. I'm open to any levels, and for the date, it will be tomorrow. So let's try to see that. Oh, nice. There are a few ski events for tomorrow. So I think I'm going to choose the nearest resort to Montreal. So let's see. And I think it's this one, Saint-Sauveur. So let's see Saint-Sauveur. Okay, amazing. It looks very great. There are 40 slopes, which is enough for a day. It's a chill resort, so perfect for my mood. And it will be sunny tomorrow, so I think it's great. Let's see for the ski events. So the ski event, there is one tomorrow, a very good one. And there is also a good one for next week with snowboards. So let's add it on my favorites, and I will check it later. So the one for tomorrow is hosted by Amandine. So let's see Amandine and the ski events. She has 5 snowflakes. So this is a good rating for this app. And she has a car. And she says like she wants to have a drink after the ski day. So I think it's a perfect occasion for me to make a new friend. So let's try to book it. And I hope she will give me some news very soon.
Oh, wow, I just received a notification. It's amazing. I hope it's for my ski event for tomorrow. Let's see it. Oh, yes, I have a pending request, and it's Chloe. She has a good rating. Let's check her profile, maybe. Oh, she looks kind, and we both love traveling. Let's see reviews. Oh, wow, on top on good ratings, she had good reviews. I think it's a good match. So let's contact her, maybe, to set the appointment for tomorrow. Hi, Chloe. Can't wait to meet you. Let's say 7 a.m. At Laurier Station, maybe. I send a message, and I can confirm my request now. Yes, perfect. And I think we will have some great time together. Can't wait to meet Chloe and to ski with her. And thank you, skiing.
Really cool. Now, for the new parents in the room, we'll start with Thomas. It's a monitoring system to keep track of your baby's information. I think the mother is checking on the baby right now. They're coming, they're coming. I think the baby was sleeping in the other room.
Baby localized. So good evening, everybody. So tonight.
I'm sorry, I know you're in the middle of something, but I have an emergency.
Wait. Did you feed her?
Just check on Thomas.
Just check on Thomas. Sure, we'll do that. Being a mother is a full-time job, as you can see. So before starting, I'll just check actually on my Thomas application if my daughter was fed, because I just got it and I have no idea what has been going on the whole day. So wait, yeah, no wonder she's hungry. She has been fed like at almost 4 o'clock, and yeah, okay. So well, I'll just breastfeed her quickly, because 21st century, guys. So yeah, as I was gonna tell you, I'm here tonight to tell you about the struggles of being a young parent. Being a parent for the first time can bring you a lot of anxiety. You want to track all kind of information about your baby because you're trying to find these valuable insights about how your baby is doing. And when you go to the doctor, they ask you some questions that you need some data to support that. And honestly, I used to be quite old school. I used to have notes on my iPhone, Post-its on my fridge, but all this tracking method was highly inefficient. So let's not even talk about sharing this information with other caretakers, namely my partner, friends, grandparents, or even the babysitter. So actually, I'll just show you how it works, because I think she's done. Yeah, she looks like it's done. Sorry. So we'll just add the fact that I just breastfeeded her right now, using, of course, my left boob, because yes, the boob that you choose actually matters for the ones that didn't know. I usually use the timer when I'm at home because sometimes, you know, you wake up in the middle of the night, you have no idea what time it is, you just set the timer, pick a boob, and just wait. But for now, I think it's been 5 minutes more or less, so we'll just add these 5 minutes. And, oh, yeah, I mean, it seems like she hasn't been eating much today, as you can see. But actually, wait, let's go back to the bottle feeding graph to make sure that actually she has been eating quite well. Oh, okay, yeah. It's just that since I'm the only one breastfeeding, I kind of forget that the other was bottle feeding. And sometimes as a mother, I need to be reassured, and graphs are quite reassuring. So, yes, let's go back. So now, if you don't mind, I'll just hand it over to you. You're the babysitter of the night. You don't mind? Thank you very much. And actually, I'll take this opportunity to give you access to Zoe's profile in case you want to add a tour to things, you know. And I could be able to check, so it will really reassure me. So what's your name? Adam. Adam. Perfect. And what's your email? Adam@email.com. Thank you, Adam. So you have been successfully added to the caretakers of Zoe. You should receive an email with a password that will allow you to have access to Zoe's profile. And in case something happens, you can just add it. But I think that you were quite lucky because she seems to be quite asleep right now. She never does that with me. But yeah, I mean, now that I breastfeeded her, you know, it's normal that she has a little like, stop. So I think we could actually add the fact that she's going to take a 10-minute nap. I don't think it would last long. She always does that. So let's just do that. Ah! And I almost forgot to tell you about the badges, which is one of the sides that I love about this app. So I just received a badge called the Super Sandman. But the Super Sandman is not the only badge I have. Actually, I have more than one badge. For now, I have 4 badges. I am a diaper god, a bottle master, a Sandman, as you saw, but also a golden nipple, which means that I've been quite intensing on the breastfeeding. But what I also love about this app is that it adds a bit of playfulness to, you know, the little tasks when you have a baby could be quite boring. Oh no, I told you it wasn't going to last long. Oh, thank you very much. So, as I was telling you, and you give it back to me with a little gift, I see. Oh, smells like a oh my God diaper. I learned that with Thomas. It's a type of diaper that you will always remember because it's quite an achievement when you're a parent to go through these steps. So before I go actually change her, let's just make a note to myself that dairy can be really scary. And just, and I earned another badge. And this one is actually a badge I really wanted to have. Actually, my partner and I have been fighting for this badge because, you know, like I'm a god diaper, he's diaper expert, but who's the real warrior right there? So let's make a little message and post it on his wall. So who's your mommy now? And let's share that. So as you can see with Thomas, you can track what counts from your baby's steps to your own baby step as a new parent. But on this note, I'll have to leave you because I have some diapers to change. Thank you, guys.
Oh my God, so good. So next app, it's the last one, an app application to help people in the hard task of stop smoking, built by Daniel, Philippe, and Benjamin.
Hi guys, my name is Danny. So let me ask you a question. How many smokers I have here? A lot, right? My friends, Costin, you're raising your hand? Right, okay. So let me ask you a question for you smokers. How many times do you say, okay, this one is the last one? Every day, right? A lot of times. It's okay, I don't judge you. I started smoking since I joined the army 3 years ago, and since then I had like 20 last ones every day. And so to stop this, I try a lot of apps. They all try to motivate me with positive things. For example, if you stop smoking, you will live longer. Those stuffs are not working on me. I'm not scared. The only rules that I follow in my life are my mom's rules. She's the only one who scares me. By the way, Mom, if you see this, I love you. So this is why my friends Ben and Philippe, they created an app which has a radical solution to scare you if you keep on smoking. So I just received an email. So usually in this email I have random horrible facts. So this time I have one. It says there's 20% of sugar in cigarettes, which leads to diabetes. Wow, okay, I didn't know that. So let me click on the link. So this brings me to the app. This is where I keep tracking of the cigarettes I smoke every day. So since last time I checked my app, I smoke one more cigarette, so I would say I'll smoke 24. And I see my evolution. I'm a little bit confused now because I wasn't doing better, I wasn't doing worse. Well, last 7 days, let me check last 30 days. Okay, still confused, let me check from the start. Okay, now I see it. I see the progress. So the progress, the progress is actually the result of the horrible facts. You remember the horrible fact from the email? Well, what is cool about this app is that you can actually check the horrible facts in the app directly. So let me check some random horrible facts again. In addition to cancer, smoking can increase your risk of coronary heart disease and stroke by anywhere from 200% to 400%. Next one. An estimate of 178,000 women died every year from a cigarette smoking. Okay, enough of random horrible facts. Well, you know what? I really like the first one. I'm gonna look for it because I want to share it so my friends can see it. So let's share on Facebook. Share. And now I see it on my Facebook. My friends like and share, okay? And also there's a great feature in this app. It's the challenges. So basically it's a 7-day challenge where you can bet money. And you say, for example, I will smoke maximum 70 cigarettes next week. If you lose, the money will go to an association. If you win, you'll have your money back. So I'm gonna check the result of the challenge that I did last week. I hope I passed. You failed. You failed. We're now sending your money to a health association. Well, I'm pissed right now. I'm so pissed. I have no self-control, but you know what? I'm gonna start a new challenge. So I'm gonna deposit $10 and create a new challenge. So I'm gonna bet $10 because I'm broke. And how many cigarettes should I put, guys? 70? Who gives more? 95, okay, 95. I'll put 95. So let's hope I'll finish that challenge. And also I hope that this app will help to try me the real last one. Thank you, guys.
Hope you are all scared. So next app is Cravings, an app that not only helps you find the best restaurants, but also the best meals, built by Jarons, Jung, Johnny, and Fred.
Hey, I'm Jay. I'm a student here at Wagon. I love food. I'm a big foodie, as you can see. But happens a lot to me. I will get recommended a dish or a restaurant, especially to, let's say, I don't know, ramen yao. I want to go there. But the only problem is I don't know what to eat. I picked last time the beef gyoza, and I was like, wasn't so great. I really did not like it. I was quite disappointed. It wasted about like $12. But then when I came back, I told my friend, hey, I didn't really like that restaurant you told me about. It's like, okay, what did you eat? It's like, I ate the beef gyoza. It's like, you're supposed to eat ramen. That's the whole point of going to the restaurant. It's like, I didn't know that. You didn't tell me. How was I supposed to know? So then she told me, well, maybe you should use Cravings. Cravings helps you find the dish near you that's really good, that's voted by the members around, not the restaurant. It's like, that's actually quite interesting. So since today, I'm actually going to go out for lunch again with my friend Malcolm here. He's vegetarian. So I wanted to find something great to try for lunch. So I'm going to look up for Japanese, because that's really my favorite category. And we see here a lot of, there's a couple around here. And as well, they have, I really like the pictures, because, you know, when you see a nice picture of food, you want it. So let's see. I actually might want to keep some for later because I do want to try some more throughout the week. So I'm going to keep yakitori for later. I also want to save, let's see, chashudon. I don't know if you guys know what chashudon is. Basically a nice slab of pork belly, roasted and nice on the rice with some soy sauce. It's quite delicious. You should try it. But let's see. Oh, beef gyoza. That's interesting. Actually, that's what I had the other day. I really did not like it. So I'm going to go give it a thumbs down because I really don't think it was that great. I don't think it deserves to be there. In any case, for me today, honestly, I think I'm craving for ramen because I don't know, everyone loves ramen, but it's always hard to find a good one. So I'm going to look up for ramen. And the best one in town looks like it's tonkotsu ramen. It was basically a really nice, thick pork soup. It is great with the chashu and the eggs. And I can see that as well. They have more of a voting system here, which is great. But even the comments, let's see, there's a lot of nice comments. This one by Arlen18 saying that, oh, if you are a spicy lover, make sure to buy a spicy miso because you're going to blow your mind. It's like, I am a spicy lover. I definitely want to try that. So I'm definitely going to go over there. I'm going to check out her profile. Maybe I can get some more advices for the future. So I'm going to follow her. That way, maybe I can try something else another day. But back to the restaurant, I do need to find actually another dish for my friend Malcolm here that's vegetarian. So I want to go visit their tsukiyomi. Oh, wow, I got a coupon on top of that. That's not bad. Let me click on it. 15% off. That's not bad. Coupon. So I'm going to bring that coupon to the restaurant with my friend Malcolm. So, Malcolm, let's go. Oh, God, that was delicious. Okay, that was beyond one of my favorite tonkotsu ramen I had in a while. And on top of that, not just the tonkotsu itself, but the spicy miso. That comment really impacted my my experience, and that I think I really want to share with everyone. So I'm going to give it an upvote, as well as the dish as well, because this was a really good tonkotsu ramen, which are quite hard to find. On top of that, I think for my wife, she loves tonkotsu ramen, so I'm going to have to save it for later. Then I can bring her there and probably get another coupon, hopefully. But yeah, geez, the first time I used Cravings, I got a coupon. I did not get disappointed, and it was delicious. So I hope you guys use Cravings too. Bon appétit.
Wow, such amazing app. Oh my God. Now we're going to the last one, last but not least. It's going to be Bonjour Hi. So it's an app to match people learning each other's language. Very useful here in Montreal. Welcome Claire, Leah, Elling, and Malcolm, the people who did the app.
Hi everyone, I'm Blair from the United States. But I just moved here to Montreal about 2 months ago to do this very cool coding bootcamp and become a web developer. But before that, I was studying for 6 months in Argentina. And it was actually really hard at first because even though I studied Spanish at school, I noticed that the locals in Argentina speak a very different kind of Spanish, so I had a hard time conversing and making friends. That's what I found in this cool free app, Bonjour Hi. Bonjour Hi helps me connect with locals to meet casually in person at a cafe, and we split our time 50-50 speaking in each other's languages. So now that I've been here in Montreal, I took a French class for a month. I think I'm ready to log back into Bonjour Hi and look for some real French speakers to learn to speak like a Quebecoise. I'm going to go search for French speakers here, and of course there's many in Montreal. Let's take a look at the first guy, Antoine. All right, it looks like Antoine's pretty good at English. He likes rugby, but his reviews aren't that great. He never showed up. Nice guy, but no show. I don't know if I can count on him to come, so let's go look for somebody else. How about Isabel? Oh, she's been to many meetups in the past. She's also learning Spanish. Great. She's a web developer born and raised in Montreal, and I'm a coder, so could be a match made in heaven. Let's have a chat and not a cat. It sounds like she's a punny woman. I like her already. All right, these reviews look good too. Isabel is a delight, a great conversationalist. She helped teach me many Quebecois sayings. All right, I'm convinced. I'm going to go ahead and request a meetup with Isabel. All right, so she's available on the weekends, which is perfect because I'm coding all day, every day during the week here at Le Wagon. let's go for this Sunday because I'm planning to go to the Wagon after party tonight. I don't think I'll be fit tomorrow. And we'll make it a nice brunch, 11 a.m. for about an hour. My friend Leah told me about this cool cafe that's very quiet and has fantastic hot chocolate, Cafe Myriad. So let's go for that. And yeah, I think I'm gonna send that request. Great, the request is sent. I just have to wait to hear back from Isabelle. I see it's close by here in the plateau. But you know, maybe Isabelle knows the city better than I do, so I'm just gonna go ahead and ask her if she knows a better place. So, hey Isabelle, I'm new in town. If you know any better place to have a coffee, love to hear it. I just love this chat feature. It lets me get in touch with my partner right away. And yeah, I'll just wait to hear back from Isabelle. Whoa, Isabelle looks very attached to her phone. She's already replied. So, hello Blair. Actually, Myriad is my favorite place. Perfect. I just confirmed the meetup. And yeah, so bring a toque on Sunday. It's going to be Chris Ment Fret. Well, I know fret is cold. I hear lots of people saying that. I kind of get the gist of what she's saying, so I'll just say perfect. See you on dimanche. Yeah. And so, you know, but it's bothering me that I don't know those two words. So I think she kind of overestimated my French skills a little bit. But no worries, I'll ask her when I see her on Sunday. I'm gonna jot these words down in my vocab notebook. And I use this all the time in South America in my meetups, jotting down interesting Spanish phrases. But today I'm gonna add a French one. And I think that first one was short and easy to say, so I'll give it a go. Toque. Toque. It's always good to have a French friend in Montreal. Merci. Good, so I'll have to ask Isabelle to teach me how to say that one. And but the other one was much longer, and I'm really bad at pronouncing French, so I'm just going to type it in. Chris Ment. All right, so how do we actually say this word?
Crisement.
Okay, close enough. All right, well, I'm going to ask Isabelle about these words on Sunday when I see her. But before I go, I think I'm just going to jot down one more phrase that I've been trying to remember. Bonne soirée et merci tout le monde. Thank you and good night.
Bonne soirée.
So this was already the last speech. I hope you enjoyed it. They deserve another round of applause. I just have one thing to say, that you inspired me a lot personally during the bootcamp, especially because of your collaboration. I think remember since day 2, you were creating like huge groups of people solving challenges together. It was super cool. Even the coding challenge that we do, that is more competitive, everyone was like together and doing stuff. So I hope you keep that after the bootcamp too, this collaboration in the group. It was amazing to see. I was really proud. And before I give you the certificates, I made some notes by employers, entrepreneurs that came to Le Wagon this last year. So I just grabbed all those notes to say to you guys as a gift. And first of all, don't stop. Keep on going, keep practicing. I hope you enjoy also this journey of keep learning. Stay curious, because curious people are the ones who are going to change the world. Pay it forward, help others get to the level where you are right now. You can only benefit from a stronger tech community. Do your side projects with passion. I know you'll be hired if you have experience building great things, and that you are proud of showing. And most importantly, have fun on the way. Yeah? And before we celebrate and go to the drinks, I also wanted to say thank you a lot to the staff, to the teachers, teacher assistants that helped them all the way, the learning curve. Thanks to Martin, Stefan, Camille, Simon, Richard, Fred, Gabriela, Alex, John, Alina, Benjamin, Nicolas, Léa, MG, Laure, Claudette, the yoga teacher. Yeah, and our great volunteers, all alumni there on the back too. Thank you, volunteers. Thanks to Laga, Team 2, Amin, Zineb, Christian, LP. Yep. And now it's time for the certificates. Ta-da-da-da. Adam. Congrats. Amandine. Congrats. Athena. Aurélie. Benjamin. Congrats. Charlotte. Yeah. Chloe. Christian. Congrats. Claire. Constant. Danny. Yay. Ferdinand. Frédéric. Ellie. Jarence. Johnny. Hugh. Léa. Malcolm. Philippe. Pierre. Coin. Sophie. Virginie. Yannick. Great, now we can all celebrate. You can use your tickets. Employers can talk to the students. Yeah, enjoy.